Today we're going to bring a wireless HDMI transceiver and receiver, all right? T is for transceiver, RX is for the receiver, all right? So this is where you're going to plug in the device that you want to display into, all right? And this is the device that you want to see display, all right? So that's what you want to do. So including with this, they give you a HDMI extender, all right? Because sometimes this is too short for any kind of TV or any place, and you need that extra extension. This is a perfect. Now they give you a long one. I've never seen this long before. I always see them like really short, like a foot. This is probably like a 2 or 3 feet of the extend there, right? Now they also give you USBs because these do require power, right? They need to be power up from Type C to Type A, all right? So they got Type C to Type A. Most of the TVs have that already built in, so you could just set it up. They got a Type A, and then you just plug into Type C. They both come with extra cables, of course, for each one device. Now, one of the best things I like about this is just, if you guys can see, there's a Type C to HDMI. So that means you could connect even your phone. If you have like a Joy phone or the newest iPhones with a Type C, you could display them over the wire. All right, over wireless actually. And then they do have HDMI to micro HDMI, and then mini HDMI to HDMI. So these are for pretty much if you want to, if you're a photographer or you have a camera and you want to see what's live streaming, or maybe a drone, you could set these up to it. So I plugged it in my computer directly, right, on my HDMI connection, and we have a USB Type C to Type A, and right now we have the transceiver here. So we're going to go to the receiver. Let me show you my receiver. My receiver is located right here. It's connected to my projector, and we have the projector has a USB, so it's perfect for this kind of scenario. And we're gonna send the image from there, a presentation from here, from the computer to here. We're gonna send the presentation over to the other side. And right now I turn off the light so you guys can see it from my computer. I'm walking over to the projector, and you can see it right there. So I'm playing the presentation and you see the audio on it. So I do have a presentation with audio, and we're gonna put the volume up so you guys can see it and hear it.
Vertical motion, and I fit my data to it, and I get an acceleration of, and I used also size of Kobe, which
so it's transferring the audio over the HDMI too, if you're worried about that.
Meters, and I fit that data.
Pretty good.
So that's how I scale the video, and I get an acceleration of negative